Now I'm going to show you how you can develop your IELTS skill by using ChatGPT. Okay, just write what is IELTS from the beginning. What is IELTS? It will give you answer. You see, just writing IELTS. It's such a nice and wonderful way. It will answer you everything. Now we are going to see what is IELTS. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It is widely recognized English language proficiency test that measures the ability of non-native speaker to understand and communicate in English. The test assesses 4 language skills: listening, reading, writing, speaking. IELTS is individual for various purposes, including higher education, admission, immigration requirement, employment opportunity in English-speaking countries. Such a lovely, fantastic definition of IELTS. There are 2 main versions of IELTS: IELTS Academic and General. IELTS separate version for the student to study, and generally the version in they are planning to migrate to English-speaking country or employment. The test is administered by various authorized centers around the world. The test consists of 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, speaking, face-to-face. Each section recorded on band 9, and 9 being the highest level. The overall band score is average of the score of 10 in the school. It's important to note that while I can provide information on the IELTS, I cannot administer or provide personal scores for the test. For specific details about registration, tests, and official school, it's best to visit the official IELTS website or contact them. That's lovely. So AI is given the lovely definition what is IELTS, and you see we are getting all the things what is IELTS. Now, for example, tips. Just you will write how to get better score in reading. So, your tips: read regularly, expand your vocabulary, improve your reading speed, practice active reading, understand different questions, analyze this best structure, practice with exam, work on your comprehension skill, the time management, seek feedback and guidance. Reading skill. It's the same way you can write how to develop IELTS writing skills. How to develop IELTS, how to develop IELTS writing skills. So, you see, to develop IELTS writing skill, you can follow this step: understand the IELTS writing text, state the assessment criteria, expand your vocabulary, improve grammar and sentence structure, practice writing, get feedback. Definitely you should take feedback from your teacher, analyze sample essay, practice time management, use formal and academic language, review and edit. So these are the best things you can develop your writing. Anyway, how to develop listening skills in IELTS. You see, practice regularly, use active listening, develop your vocabulary, practice time management, stimulate test conditions, set feedback. So these are the things, everything you will find here. So speaking, reading, writing, listening. Now I'm going to write a topic: people over 18 should depend on their own income. Do you agree or disagree? IELTS writing, IELTS essay. Okay, so as an AI language, I don't have personal opinion or belief. However, I can provide you with the arguments supporting both sides of the statement. People who are 18 should depend on their own income, which can help you develop your essay for the IELTS exam. Okay. Personal responsibility, professional development, economic stability. So three things, for three agree, disagree. Support during the transitional period, social inequality, pursuit of higher education. Remember, in IELTS essay, it is crucial to present well-balanced argument by discussing both sides of issue. So this essay has discussed both sides of the essay. Okay, so this is how you can get everything in IELTS. For example, what are the causes and effect of too much sleep essay? The causes and effect of excessive sleep, you see. So it's writing cause and effect essay. Now we're going to see how it is written. Sleep is a fundamental aspect of our daily lives, contributing to our physical and mental well-being. However, just as insufficient sleep can have adverse effect, excessive sleep, also known as hypersomnia or prolonged sleep, can lead to range of challenges. This essay will causes of excessive sleep: sleep disorder, sedative medication, sleep debt. Okay. Effects of excessive sleep: fatigue and sluggishness, cognitive impairment, mood disturbance, physical health coarseness, disruption of daily routine, management and profession, establish healthy sleep. So this is the solution set: medical evaluation, balanced diet, conclusion. Okay, right. So some ideas. Actually, the AI will not give you all the things which you need, but at least give you some ideas by which you can develop your IELTS skill. For example, you need to learn vocabulary. How to learn English vocabulary. Learning English vocabulary can be an exciting and rewarding process. Here are some effective strategies to help you learn, expand your English vocabulary. Read extensively, reading books, newspaper, magazine, online article, everything. Use dictionary, definitely you have to use dictionary. Create a word journal. Contextual learning, rather than simply memorizing individual words, try to learn new vocabulary in the context or phrase of sentence. This helps you understand how words are used in different situations. Flashcard, word association, use vocabulary in conversation, engage with English media, play word games or puzzle, review and reverse regularly. Remember, building a strong English vocabulary takes time and conscious effort. Be patient with yourself and embrace the learning. So this is how everything you will find here. So if you are an IELTS student, if you want to develop your IELTS skill, I think ChatGPT will work with you as a teacher. Even sometimes your teacher cannot answer you instantly, but ChatGPT will help you to solve the problem instantly. So thank you very much. If you want to know more about ChatGPT, you can tell me. I will give an answer in the comment box. Thank you very much. Have a good day.